You guys, we're headed out to hike Ramona Falls. Join us and we'll give you some details.
The road to the trailhead is paved all the way to the gravel parking lot. The road has a few rough spots, but you can get to the trailhead in a car. You will need the Northwest Forest Pass, which you can buy there, or the America the Beautiful Pass. The America the Beautiful Pass works in all national forests. There are porta potties at the trailhead, or you can use the bathrooms at the ranger station directly across Highway 26 from Lola Pass Road. We went on a weekday. We arrived at the parking lot at 9 a.m. and to our surprise there were only 3 other vehicles. I have done this hike many times and have seen the parking lot full.
Come on, let's go.
Do you want to go hike? Do you want to go hike? Let's go hike. Come on.
Here we go. Here's the details of the hike. It's about 7.1 miles round trip with a little over 1,000 feet elevation gain. It's a pretty moderate hike. I guess the distance probably is what would be hard maybe for some people. We're gonna have a river crossing, so we have to scout that out. Every year it's different. Seasonal, you can't cross it because the river's too high. It's the Sandy River, it's too high. So you just have to look and see what log is available to cross over. They used to put a bridge up until 2020, but after 2020 they quit doing that. So you just have to find a log and cross over a log now.
And we got the dog. We got to get the dog across.
We have our furry friends, so we'll have to see how that goes, but most people are able to get their dogs across. I've done this quite a few times and have never had a problem crossing it, so we'll see when we get there.
What's at the end of this?
Amazing waterfall. The hike-in's really pretty. It's called the Lollipop. You can do it 2 different ways. One way is on the Pacific Crest Trail, so you can go left, which is what we're gonna do. And it's a really pretty walk through the forest. It's a perfect day for hiking.
It's pretty nice out.
Oh, it's so nice. There's no clouds. We're gonna get a really good view of Mount Hood before we do the river crossing. My watch shows 1.15 to the river crossing. This looks like there's only 1 log to cross today. So there's river crossing.
We weren't sure how Ollie was going to do going across the log, so on the way over we sat down and scooted across and had him between us. On the way back we walked across the log and had Ollie follow me. It went much better and we recorded it with the drone, with some great footage of Mount Hood in the background. Keep watching and you'll see how that went.
Good boy! Good boy!
A short distance after crossing the river, there is a spot that has an unobstructed view of Mount Hood for a great photo op.
Here. So here's the Lollipop. You can either go straight to Ramona Falls or you can do the Pacific Crest Trail, which is also straight and also goes to Ramona Falls. We're gonna go left because it's pretty. So this is considered the Lollipop, where we crossed the river and then we came to where it's a circle or a loop. We're gonna go left because it's pretty. That's the PCT trail. And this is also, and both of them go to Ramona Falls. It's a loop, but this way's prettier.
We usually opt for the clockwise direction because of the views of Mount Hood along the way, the bridge crossing, and you follow a creek for part of it. It is also a more gradual incline and then a shorter return to the river.
Good boy.
As we got closer to the waterfall, you could start to hear the rushing water. Because we went at the end of spring, the waterfall was really full. Ollie was a trooper and did really well on the hike and the river crossing.
Hi!
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy our adventures.